let's start. Okay, so everybody is able to hear me? Package. So we are going to see the package. Okay, so in the last classes, okay, try the programs. If you have any issues, you have my email ID and my number. You can call me at any time. Okay, so now we are going to see a topic called package. Okay, what is a package? We have seen cursors. We have seen procedures. We have seen functions. And we have seen variables. Right? Okay, so sometimes we have to group all these objects. So the variable, see, in the last few classes we have seen individual procedure. These are the three individual procedure. These are the three individual functions we created. Okay, but sometimes we have to combine. Okay, let's see. So EMP table I have EMP table. Okay, I'm creating a following procedures on for EMP related work. Creating following objects. Okay, for EMP table, I'm creating following objects. EMP table. One is EMP insert, is a procedure, and the second one is EMP update. That's for update. And EMP delete. I'm deleting this table. And EMP search to check whether the EMP is available or not. And get EMP count. See, this is a procedure, this is a procedure, this is a procedure, this is a procedure, and this is a function. Okay, I'm creating all these individual, but all five objects are logically related to a employee table. All above objects, right? See, this is a procedure, this is a procedure, this is a procedure, and this is a function. This is a function. All above objects related to, logically related. Logically means all are operating on the same table. Logically related to a single table. Single table called employee table. So what I'm saying is, instead of creating these objects individually, okay, I want to group all related objects into a single object. So I want to group all procedures and all functions related to a single object. That is called as the package. Okay, instead of creating procedures, functions individually, we can do individually or we can create a package. Okay, creating package has a little bit more advantage than procedures, we will see. Okay, so now what is a package? The package is nothing but a, see, instead of creating all individual object, I can create a single object which contains all the procedure and all the functions related to a logically related object. So the package is a collection of, is an object collection of, okay, let's see, a package is a group of logically related procedures, functions, and variables. So logically related procedures, functions, variables, cursors, and types. Type in the sense is, we will see types in the next class. Types into a single unit, into a single unit. So single in the sense is single object. That is a single object. Single object. So the package is nothing but a, we are not going to write any big code in the package. Package is not going to contain a code. It's obviously a procedures and functions. If you don't know the functions and procedures, you cannot create a package. Okay. So now the package is a group of, what is the group of? Logically related procedures. Now I am saying it's logical is, we can put all the DEPT also. In a DEPT insert, we can put DEPT insert and DEPT update also. But thing is, if you make it like a two different packages, one package for EMP table and one package for DEPT table, so it will be more meaningful. That's why. Okay, so Package is a group of logically related procedures and functions and variables, cursors and types. That means, so we can store procedures, function, variables, cursors and types in packages. So if anybody asks you what a package contain, okay, package can contain any one of these. It can contain procedures, it can contain functions, it can contain the variables, it can contain the cursors. A package contains any one of these: procedures, functions, packages, variables and cursors. It's a type of a package. Okay, package is stored in a database permanently. Database permanently. So it stores in database permanently. So how long? Until we drop it. As long as, okay, you can use the package, we can use the package. So package stores in database permanently until we drop it. Okay, the package contains two parts. So the package, what are the two parts of a procedure? What are the two parts of a procedure?
Header and specification.
Header and specification.
Specifications and body.
Specification and body.
Body and specification.
Yeah, header and specification both are same. Okay, the package contain two parts. One is specification, package specification, and this is mandatory. And the second one is package body, and this is optional. So when a package body is optional, we will see. So package specification and package body. What does a package specification contains? So the package specification contains, in the package specification, it contains all declarations for procedures, functions, variables, cursors and types. So only declaration, no code. Package specification does not contain any code. Package specification does not contain any code. So just declaration only. Okay, so that means procedures. What is a procedure? So the procedure contains two parts: specification and body. Okay, so now let's see. Here we have this one. So whenever you are creating a procedure inside a package, we will not use create or replace. You can note this point. Whenever you are declaring a procedure or a function inside a package, whenever you are declaring a procedure, procedure or function inside a package. Okay, package. So we will not use create or replace. So create or replace is not required. So this is not required. Okay. Now, so what a package declaration? Declaration means specification. So this is called as a specification. Declaration means, so here I says it contains all the declarations. For declarations means procedures. Procedures specification. Procedure specification will be in specification. Procedure specification and function specification. Just variable declaration, just cursor declaration and types. So here in the package specification, it contains only specification only. It does not. So that means, so the example is this one. So here is an example is package specification is example is only this one. So only up to written part only this one. Okay, procedure. percentage row type. That's it. So that means only this one. This is the part. So the package specification just will declare a number. So that is the variable. Now here cursor C is your statement, your select statement. See here, that's only the declaration. It does not contain any code. Okay, so the procedures, functions and everything. So this, the function check emp exist and the procedure emp insert and a variable a and cursor C. These four are called as a package members. The objects declared inside a specification are called as a package members. Objects declared in a package specification are called public members of a package. Public members of a package. So public members of a package. So that means, see here, this is the package specification. What does the package specification contains? The package specification contains declarations for this one. So all are optional. You can contain all or you can contain only one. Okay, and one thing you need to do, it does not contain any code. Okay, so the members, objects, what are the objects? See, this is a one object. The function check emp exist is a object and emp insert is an object and a is a variable and C is a cursor. So these are all called as the public members of a package. Why I am saying a public is, the public member means we can use this member from anywhere inside your Oracle. So we can use public members or you can use or we can call the public members from anywhere in Oracle. Members from anywhere in Oracle. That means we can call anywhere. So we can call from inside or we can call from outside and everything. So the packaged members. What is the meaning of a package member? Package member is nothing but a object declared. So where object declared inside a specification are called as a public members. Everybody is clear? So it contains only the declaration. So the example is, we will not use create or replace for this one. Okay, and it's a variable, direct variable declaration, and this cursor. Though these objects, these members can be used from anywhere in your package. Okay, so now the package body, it contains actual code of your all procedures, functions declared in the specification, procedures and functions. So the actual executable also, see here. So here we are declaring only this procedure and function, but where does that code, where we are writing the code? So the code is body part. So the actual body, the package body contains the implementation of every procedure and functions, code of your all procedures and functions declared in specification. Means compulsory we have to write code for all procedures and functions declared in the specification. Okay, if a package specification contains 5 procedures, we have to write code for 5 procedures. Okay, so body is compulsory, we have to write a code. It contains actual code of your all procedures and functions declared in specification. Additionally, so we can write additional procedures, extra procedures, or functions not declared in specification. So we can write, see, compulsory we have to write for all procedures and functions declared in specification, that's fine. We can write extra procedures or functions not declared in specification also. So that means we have to write additional procedures and additional functions declared in your specification. So that is the important point. Okay, so now objects declared in body and not in specification are called a private member. object declared in. So additional procedures, right? Those additional procedures are called as a private members. Objects declared in specification, specification in body only and not in specification are called private members. Private members. So private members means, see here, additionally we can write a code. Additionally we are writing additional procedures and functions. Those additional procedures and functions are called as a private member. Body contains a executable code. For what? For all the procedure and all functions declared in your specification. Okay. Additionally, we can write additional code for our procedures and functions. Those additional functions and additional procedures are called as a private members. Okay. Private members cannot be called from outside of the package. Members cannot be called from outside of package. So we have to use inside package body only. So we have to use those inside a package body only. We cannot call from, see here. So the private members can be anywhere, but private members is only inside a package body only. Everybody is clear? Everybody is clear with the difference between public member and a private member. Private member means declared only in a body and not in specification. Okay, so specification means contains only declarations, does not contain any code. Okay, so the package body is optional. When a package body is an optional when a specification does not contain any procedures and functions. Package body is optional. When it is optional, so when there is no procedures and functions. Procedures or functions in package specification. See, if a package specification contains only A and cursor C, so then we don't need a body, because body contains executable code, and we will not write any code for variable A or variable C. We will not write any code for variable A and function C, cursor C, because it's just variables. We will not write anything. That's why the package body is optional. Okay, the members declared only in body and not in specification are called as a private members. Public members can be called from anywhere in Oracle, and private members it's only in body only. We cannot call from anywhere. Everybody is clear? Yes or no, please? Yes or no, please? Okay. So now package members are two types. Members are two types. What are the two types of package members? What are the two types of a package members? What are the two types of package members?
Public, private.
Yes, public and
Public
private.
and private.
Public and private. Okay, so public members can be called. Public members can be called from outside using package name dot member name with any parameter values. Simple parameter values. Package name dot member name with parameter. So the private members we cannot call from outside. So how can I call a package procedure? So the package procedure is, so how do you call a procedure? Procedure name with parameter values, right? How do you call a procedure? Procedure name with the parameter values. That is the way we will call a parameter procedure. Okay, but how do you call a packaged procedure? Packaged procedure is package name dot procedure name. Package name dot, this is the normal procedure call, and this is packaged procedure call. Simple. The only thing is package name dot member name. If it is a variable, package name dot variable. So the public members can be called from outside using package name dot member name with parameters. So if it is a parameter, if it is only variable, the package name dot variable name. If it is a function or something, package name dot function. Okay, so procedure name, parameter values, and here it is a package name dot procedure name with parameters. And similarly, how do you call a function? Function call with a function name with the parameter values. Similarly, package name that function name with parameter values. Everybody is clear? So how can, if anybody asks you how can I call a package member? Package member can be called with the package name dot procedure name. Package name dot function name with written a value. Everybody is clear? Everybody is clear? Okay. So let's see a syntax of a. And one thing I'm going to tell you, so if you don't know the procedures and functions, you cannot write a packages. Because the same thing, you know everything. So you know procedures, you know functions, you know variables, you know cursors, you know types. Everything is there. The only thing is you need to practice. Let's see a syntax. First we will create a. First step is to always first we need to create a package specification. Create or replace package name. Is create or replace package name is begin end. Is end. Here we will declare a variable name. These are all are optional. And data type with size. With the size. This is normal, regular. Okay, any cursor declaration. Any cursor declaration. And here is a procedure name with parameter 1, type 1, and so on. Function, anything. Any number of parameters. Return data type. This is, so we can declare any number of variables and any number of procedures and any number of variables and everything. This is the package specification. Package specification, create or replace package name is variable name, data type and size, and cursor declaration, and procedure name, and parameter data type 1, and function 2, return data type. Everybody is clear? Everybody is clear, please, yes or no? Okay, so now let's create a package body. So in a package body, we have to write a code. For what? Okay, we have to write a code. Here, package specification does not contain any code. Okay, in a package body only, we will write a code. For what code? We will write a code for all the procedures and all the functions declared in your specification. For all procedures and all functions declared in your package specification, plus if you want to write, you can create your own additional procedures other than the procedures or functions declared in your specification. Syntax: create or replace the package body package name. Package specification name and the package body name should match. The name given in a specification and the name given in a package body should match. So is or as end. So here procedure right, you're writing a code. Procedure name, so here declare any number of variables is begin, exception, end. This is the package, and write a function name, param1, return number, data type is begin, exception, end. We can write any additional procedures and end. That's it. This is the package body. Create or replace package body, package name. These procedures are called as procedures and functions available in specification and body are called as a public, and available only in body are called as a private. Everybody is clear? Yes or no, please? Yes. Okay, so important. Let's see first, create one sample package. Okay, packages are very small topic, and only thing is different syntax. The rest of the thing, procedures and functions. Okay, so I'll write two names here. What is a function overloading? You will see that point here, overloading. And what is forward declaration? Please remember these points in the class. These are the two important points in every interview. What is function overloading and what is a forward declaration? So these are purely related to your packages. We will see those two. Okay, let's first create a one sample package. I want to create a sample package. Okay, let's create a sample package. So create or replace. I want to create a package for implementing arithmetic operations on two variables. Create or replace package arithmetic operations on two variables is procedure. Let's make it as a function. Sum two numbers, A number and B number, and C out number. So three variables. That's it. Sorry. Is this right? Is this right?
No.
What is wrong?
Uh, Parameter mode out. We cannot declare in.
We can declare it, but that's not a good idea. So, but at least we should have a return statement, right? So here is we need to have a return number, data type, and function sum two, subtraction of two numbers, A number and a B number, return number, and function two numbers, A number and a B number, return number, function division of two numbers, A number comma B number, return number. So now I have only, and I am declaring a cursor. Cursor C is select star from employee, where EMP number is, department number is equal to P department number. I am declaring a variable with cursor also. Just see carefully. Okay, department number DEPT dot department number percentage type. This is the simple. Okay, so now the package arithmetic OPS is a package which contains a four functions and one cursor. Let's compile this one. Yes, package compiled successfully. Now package compiled successfully. Now we need to write a code. for this one. So create or replace package we have to write a code for all procedures. If you miss a procedure, it will give an error. Some two numbers, A number and a B number, written number is C number, written typo. Begin. I am not writing exceptions, but you can practice with exceptions. So C is equal to A plus B and return C. And function to number. I wrote a code for this function. Okay, so now I'm changing this back to subtraction of number A minus B. And multiplication of two numbers and division of two numbers. So here is A by B. Okay, that's it. Do I need to write any additional procedures? No, because so this my package have 4. Okay, 4 functions. Yes, I wrote a 1 and I wrote a 2 and I wrote 3, I wrote a 4. Okay, so now here is package A. I missed the package body. And do I need to follow the same order? See here, I have in the same order. Do I need to follow in the same order? Order is not an important. You can write these procedures and functions in the any order. Order is not an important for order in the package body. Order of implementation. Implementation in package body is not an important for public members. See here, I specially mentioned for the public members. Private members, I'm going to discuss in couple of minutes. Package body is compiled, no issues. If you see here, under the packages, you will see a arithmetic operation. So this is the specification, and if you see here, click plus, and you will see a body. So now package compiled successfully. Now I need to write a calling program. So here, now we need to call package name dot procedure name. Package name dot variables, comma y. This is wrong because we need to mention the package name. So what is the package name we have here? Arithmetic OPS. So C is equal to. So it's a we're calling a function sub two numbers of package arithmetic OPS. Now display the output. So the result is 0. So I give it 12 12 and result is 0. Everybody is clear? So the only difference between and packages and individual procedures and individual functions is package name dot. We need to call package name dot procedure or a function. Is everybody clear? Similarly, you can create calling program for any of your packaged procedure or a packaged function. Similarly, you can call a procedure or a function from anywhere. Everybody is clear? Yes or no? Please let me know before continuing. Okay. So now I'm adding a one more procedure here. I'm adding a one more. Okay, first let's see. Let me call a program. See, cursor I declared it, but I'm not using. That's up to you. Whether use or you not using is up to you. If you want, you can use it. If you don't want, that's okay. I have created a package with a cursor. I might not use, other people can use. In future, after 6 months, the requirement can use it. It's not mandatory to use it. Okay, so emp row is emp I. Let's make it I. dept number. So dept dot department number percentage type is equal to. I want to show you the another program. Okay. So now for I in that is my package dot C of department number with dept number. So I'm opening a cursor declared in a package. I want to show you how to use a variable declared inside a cursor. See here, what is C? C is a cursor declared in this package. So I'm opening a cursor. Normally, how you use the regular cursors, the same thing, but only thing is here you will have variable name. Output dot put underscore line. Ename is I dot ename. That's it, simple. I give the department number 20. See here. So what is the advantage of writing a cursor inside a package is anyone can use it. Anyone can use it. So that means I can use it, or other people can use it, or other projects can use any project from any procedure anywhere can use it. If you declare a cursor inside a package body, sorry, inside a package specification, we can use it. This is an example of using this one. Everybody is clear or no, please? Yes or no? Please, everybody, I want yes or no from everyone. Okay, so let's see. I'm modifying this package body. Okay, I'm modifying a package body. Yes, I'm writing a. Okay, first I'm procedure. Say hello. Say hello. I'm writing a procedure. Is end. So dbms underscore output dot put underscore line. Welcome to packages. I will ask one by one. Just say yes or no. Okay, so compiled successfully. I am writing a calling program. I'm writing a calling program. It's a package, right? It's a procedure. I'm directly calling a. I'll ask one by one. What is my output? I'll ask one by one by the name order. What is my output? Okay, Anila, what is my output? So I modified a package body and I included a package say hello. Inside my say hello, I printed a message. Welcome to package. So if I execute this program, what is the output? Anila. So is it going to execute successfully or it's going to fail? If it is going to execute successfully, what is an output? Anila. It displays say hello. Okay. Next, Ashok. Ashok. Ashok.
That's a private member.
What is the output?
Error.
Avinash. Avinash.
Hello, sir. Displays the output message.
Welcome to. Okay. Divya, what is the output? Divya, what is the output? Harita, what is an output? Kiran, what is the output? Rajkumar. Mahesh. Mahesh, what is an output?
Displays the output. Welcome to.
Can you show me the procedure package?
In the package, I have a just welcome to package. So if I execute this program, what is an output? It displays welcome to package. Okay. And Rajkumar. Rajkumar.
Displays the welcome to package.
Welcome to package. Mahesh. Shalini.
Displays the message.
Shalini displays the message. Shravani. Shravani.
So it displays the welcome message.
Shweta, it displays the message, right? So the people, whoever says that displays the message, they are wrong. Because say hello is a private member, right? See, say hello, I don't have the say hello in the specification. I have only in body only. See, it is only in the body. It is not. See, say hello is only in the package body. Is not in the specification. If it is not in the specification, I cannot call from outside. See this line. The package, see, when there is, okay, private members cannot be called from the outside of the package. So we have to use inside a package body only. So whenever I call this procedure, so I will get an error. Saying that, see, component say hello must be declared. See, say hello is this is an error. Because we cannot call private member from outside. Cannot call private member from outside of the packet. See here. See, this is the say hello. Okay, say hello is not in our specification. I added only in the body. If it is only in the body, we cannot call from outside. Okay, everybody is clear? Everybody is clear? Please. So then what is this? So then how can I work it? So now if I want to display the message, I want to call that procedure from, okay, so then here. So now I'm executing this. Okay, so now say hello. I'm calling say hello from another procedure. See here, I'm calling say hello from. So the say hello private members can be called from outside, inside a package body only. See, now I'm compiling this package body again. Package body compiled. So now if you refresh it, now see here, say hello is a private member. I'm calling from sub2. So now if you see this sub2, now I am calling this one. So now I will get a message, welcome. See here, welcome to package, and the result is 11. How welcome to package got printed? So from sub2 numbers, internally I am calling another procedure. Okay, everybody, please let me know. So if you declare any private member, that can be called from outside of, sorry, only can be called from inside a package body only. Everybody, is it clear? Yes or no, please? I want yes or no from anyone, everyone. Okay, super. Okay, right? Okay, so I'm going to modify the package body again. I'm going to modify the package body again. Please observe carefully. Okay, I'm modifying this procedure. Okay, I'm calling the say hello here. Okay, I'm calling the say hello here. So now I'm moving the say hello back to end. I'm moving the say hello back to here. And here I'm calling say hello. Right? So say hello is calling before their code. Let's see what will happen. See, it's an error. Okay, error saying that say hello not declared in the scope. What is the meaning of say hello not declared in the scope? Okay, say hello not declared in the scope is the private members. All private members should be declared before their call. Declared or defined. Or write a code before their call. See here. Okay, in this procedure, okay, so first I have a sum2 number, and second I have a sub2 number, and the third I have a multiplication, and fourth I have a last I have a say hello. Okay, the last I have a say hello, but before their code I'm calling the say hello here. So that means before during the compilation at the line of this one, at the line, so whenever Oracle is compiling this package body, okay, the say hello is there. So try to find where say hello. So say hello is not before in the body. See here, say hello before calling. See, I'm calling say hello here, but it is not before their call. It is at the end. That is not possible. Okay, all private members should be declared or defined or write a code before their call. This is called as a forward declaration. So what is the meaning of a forward declaration? And here I mentioned the order of implementation in a package body is not an important for public members, but for a private members order is important. Before their call we need to write a code. That is called as a forward declaration. If anybody asks you in an interview what is a forward declaration, the forward declaration is nothing but all the private members should be declared first or defined first or write a code first before their call. That is called as a forward declaration. Everybody is clear about the forward declaration or not? Yes or no? Okay, that is called as a forward declaration. Please note down all the points. Forward declaration. If you are good at the concepts, you can write a good programs. Okay, next thing is, can I create a same function, two functions with the same name? Can I create two functions with same name? How? Can I create two functions with the same name?
Yes.
How? Yes. Anila, you are exactly right. So that is called as a where is my line? Yes, that is called as a function overloading. Okay, so now inside a pack, can I create a two functions with the same name? Yes, but only in the packages. Only in packages. But at the schema level, no. See, if anybody asks you, can I create a two functions with the same name? Yes, but when? It's only in the packages, not outside of the packages. At the schema level, no. No, at the schema level. Schema level means with the create or replace function name. Okay, so can I create a two functions with the same name? Yes. Where? It's only in the package. Creating a two functions with the same name with a different functionality, that is called as a function overloading. Okay, so not at the schema level. That's very important. I cannot create a same function with the same name. Fn say welcome. Let's see here. I cannot create a same function with the written number. This is not possible. Oh, sorry. I used the create or replace. It's replaced the code. I'm creating another function. It says name is already used by an existing object. So that means we cannot create a two object function or procedure with a two name, but it is possible inside a package. It is possible inside a package. Okay, so creating a function, creating a more than one function. Please observe carefully. Creating more than one function with same name, okay, with a different set of parameters. Set of parameters is called function overloading. Function overloading. Okay, so creating more than one function with the same name with a different set of parameters. Different set of parameters. Different set of parameters. That means, okay, different set of parameter means. Say, I did not say the based on the written type. Never ever create a function overloading with written type. Parameters means different number. Number of parameters is changed. Parameters are changed. Number of parameters. In one function, I can have a two parameters. In another function, I can have a three parameters. And the thing is different data types. I have a same number, but with a different data types. Different data types. And one thing is different data types and that are not belongs to the same family. Same family of data types. Same family of the data types means, okay, character and varchar is same family. This is not possible. Character and varchar, if the same have the same number, let's see. Okay, I will explain that one. I am modifying the package arithmetic operations. So one thing, so Okay, now I'm adding another. First, let's see. I have to modify the package specification again. I'm adding one more procedure. So first, I'm modifying a package specification. Okay, I'm adding another function. Sum two numbers, a varchar 2 and a b varchar 2. Return varchar 2 is correct. Is correct for function overloading. Okay, so now if I write another one with the return number is wrong, because so it has a same data type, same parameter, but the return type is different, which is wrong. Okay, whenever you call it, Oracle cannot make a good decision. So which procedure is going to call? Okay, that's why this is wrong. We cannot write a package like this. And the thing is, another one is this is also wrong, because we cannot have a same parameters with same family. See here, this is the character family and this is also a character family. It is also wrong. This is also wrong. We cannot create like this, but we can write like this. Three parameters. Number of parameters is there. Number of parameters is more. See here, I have a three variable function, and same function name is same with a different set of parameters. That is called as a function overloading. That is called as a function overloading. And one thing is, whenever you're creating a function overloading or a procedure overloading, you cannot depend on the return type. You have to depend on the number of parameters and the data types only. And you cannot have two functions with the same name, same set of parameters and same family of data types. Everybody is clear? Everybody is clear about this point? Yes or no, please? Everybody, I want yes or no from everyone. Okay, so now I'm writing a code for this. How can I concatenate the two variables in functions? How can I concatenate the two variables in? How can I concatenate the two characters? Return, I'm concatenating A with B. That's it. So I'm combining two for sum. So this is a forward declaration problem. So let's move this private members here. So package compiled. Let's call the procedure. So what procedure we overloaded? Sum two numbers. So here sum two numbers. So output is 24. Whenever it is based on the number, so the name is same. So how the Oracle is going to choose which code it is going to execute? Okay, whenever it says that sum two numbers, it has a 3. Okay, so sum two number, and sum two number. So then Oracle chooses the which code it is going to execute based on this data types. Okay, so now it calls number related function. So now I'm calling another one. So I'm declaring a 3 variables for calling the third one. C. Let's call X, Y, C. So now it called third one because I have a 3 parameters. 1, 2, 3. Output is so 1, 2, 3. So combinedly 3. So how it is going to choose? So Oracle is going to execute the correct code based on the parameters and the data types. Everybody is clear? Everybody is clear? This is called as a function. So everybody is understands or not? Everybody is clear? So I will give you one more assignment tomorrow. I'm formulating that assignment which contains the mode, cursors, packages and everything. So you have to write a package so which can include all the concepts of your procedures, functions, exception handling and everything is we need to include all in these procedures and functions. Everybody is clear or anybody have any doubts please? Everybody is clear? Okay, so now we have it. So now what is the difference between, see here, I can create a function here with a create or replace. I can create a function inside a package. So what is the difference? So that means a package or a procedure can be created. Package or procedure can be created. Sorry, procedure or function. Procedure or function. One more point. Function can be created at schema level using create or replace, and inside a package on R, inside another proceed inside a declare section of another PL SQL block. Declare section of PL SQL block. Okay, so a package, a procedure or a function can be created at the 3 levels. So at a schema level using a create or replace. This is called as a standalone procedure or standalone function. This is called as a standalone procedure or standalone function. Okay, if we create a procedure or a package inside a package, that is called as a packaged subprogram, packaged procedure or function. Okay, if you declare a procedure or function inside a declare section of another PL SQL block, this is embedded program, embedded procedure or function. So this is never ever use this one. That's why I'm not stretching this point. Never ever use this one. Okay, which one is the more advantage? Creating a procedure inside a package or at the schema level? Which one is the advantage? Okay, that's my question for tomorrow. Okay, so you know packages, you know procedures, you know functions. Why? What are the additional advantages of packages over standalone procedures? What is the main advantage? advantage of package over standalone procedure or function. That's my assignment. So you need to answer this question in the next class. Okay, so what is the main advantage? See, I can create a procedure inside with create or replace standalone procedure. So instead of having this package, I can create all things in the here. But why we have to create a package? Okay, that's my next assignment. And then inside a package, inside this is never ever create a program in the declare section. These two. So a procedure or a function can be created at the three levels. That is standalone, that is the packaged, or inside a declare section of another PL SQL block. Everybody is clear? Okay. So what is the main advantage of package over standalone procedure or functions? That's my assignment for tomorrow. And the second one is, if you want to drop a package or body, so drop package name. Package name. This is for dropping entire package. Package including body and specification. Entire package. Both specification and package. Package. And package body. Drop package body, package name. Drops only package specification. Sorry, package body. That's it. Drop package body and drop package body name. Everybody is clear? If you want to drop a package, drop package name. If you want to drop a package name, drop a package body only. Everybody is clear? Please let me know if anybody have any issues in the today's class. Everybody is clear? Please let me know one by one. Divya. Okay, sir. So today I am stopping here. Please go through the class. Please note down all the important points. And okay, let me first stop recording this session.